Okay, now we need to find the value of x here, right? Now they tell no AOBC is a straight line, right? And O is the center, so that's why AB is the diameter, right? AB is the diameter. From the diameter, subtended angle at circumference, like this, it should be 90. Normally we call what the semicircle angle. This should be 90 ADB, right? This is the diameter. AB is the diameter, right? Like that. So actually, to get this x, we can use 2-3 methods, and they tell no here 60, right? I forgot to mark earlier. Now here 60, right? So you can find this angle, right? This angle, if I put has A, now I can write what the 60 plus 90 plus A should be 180. What the theorem here we use interior angle of a triangle. So you can write A plus 60 plus 90 will be equal to 180, right? Here A 60 plus 90 means 150, right? Here 180, so here will be 180 minus 150, right? I brought this 150 here, here plus, no, it will be minus, so A will be equal to 30, right? Here will be 30, right? Then I can tell this angle, right? I mean DBC, this angle I can find this one, right? Okay, now if I put letter for that, I can put here B, like that, right? Then I can write what the A plus B 180. What the reason? Angle on straight line, this plus this, so very easy. Actually it will be 150, but I will show you that A plus B should be 180. So within the bracket, if they ask the reason, you can write what the angle on straight line. So here A is 30 plus B equal 180. So B will be what the 30 bring to here. So 180 minus 30. It will be what the B will be equal to 150. Okay, now this is B we know. And also you need to know here they tell no DB equal to BC. They put this dash here. So that means these two sides equal. BD equal to BC. DB equal to BC. So this is isosceles triangle. DBC mean isosceles triangle. So this side opposite angle, this one will be equal to this side opposite angle, this one. That means here x, then here also x. Okay, now you can write what the x plus b. Here b mean 150, right? So you can write x plus 150, or you can write b first and then replace with 150, but I will write directly x plus 150. B mean 150, no, equal to 180, right? Here will be 2x, and 180 here. I will bring this plus 150 to here, so it will be minus 150. So here will be 2x equal 180 minus 150 means 30, right? Then both sides divide by 2, right? So here x will be what the 30 divided by 2 means 15. So x will be 15 degrees.